Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Aquarium. Frog's out, which means it's Froggy Friday. Right, I've got a bit of resin left over from another project because I only wanted a bit for this. So I'm just going to put some in this and I will be showing you when I can get hold of them. I got these from Temu a while back. They're really pretty. I think they actually are resin, and there's some leaves as well. Now I'm going to attempt to place them very nicely. A flower with two leaves and do kind of like a floral frog. Anyway, that's enough waffling. Let's get to it. Okay, I'm just going to pour a little layer in. And we're going to be layering these flowers up. So a little resin at a time. I think that's just going to be enough. Yep. Make sure I scrape it all out. I'm not bothered if it goes into the legs. Like I say, just the first layer. There we go. And I'm going to leave this till it's tacky. Just so that when I sit the flowers in, they actually sit in it nicely. So a couple of hours. I'm using Tea Expert resin. Right, it's thickening up a bit. Do excuse the noise outside, somebody's working out back and I've got all windows open, so I apologise for that. As I was saying, it's getting sticky now. It's not firmed up, but it's on the verge, so I'm going to pop the flowers in. I've got them here. I'll start in the head first, and I'm just tapping them down. We'll get some leaves, and this is going to take a while, so I'll give you a bit of music while I do this. Right, before it sets, I'm going to stick another layer on the top, so I'm just going to mix up a little bit of resin, probably about 60 mils, and I'll be right back. Same resin, same glitter, although I think I might have put a bit too much glitter in that, if there is such a thing. Right, I'm just going to do the same again. I'm just going to pour a layer. They're all stuck in now. I'll put all of it in. Like I say, it does not matter if it goes into the legs. I think I'll possibly be back in it in a very pale green. Not made my mind up about that yet, but we will see. There we go. Squirt of isopropyl alcohol, and we're just going to do the same again. I'm going to wait for it to get tacky, put a layer of flowers in and leaves, and then we'll do the back coat. Right, it's thickened up ever so slightly, but I'm going to put them in now anyway. Got a little bit of a bubble there. Because it's on a neat mat, the layer underneath was still hot, and it's made that cure very quickly, so I'll have to be quick. I want these under the resin, if I can. That one doesn't want to come off me tweezers. Right, in some areas it had gone too hard, so I was going to back it in green, but I don't want, see, them two flowers are sat on the top. I don't want the green to slip underneath them and take away from the flowers. I don't know what to do. I mean, I do know what to do, I didn't particularly want it all clear. Right, I've mixed up a green. I'll show you, just a generic mica powder. And if it covers them bottom ones, them bottom flowers, then it covers them bottom flowers. I just think it'd be nice we're back in. So let's do the fingers first. Can you call them fingers? Froggy fingers. I've turned the heat mat off because it was really curing up very, very quick. So we'll let this last layer cure with the residue heat. That's a lovely green. Oh, it went quiet then. I was concentrating. I'm very sorry. Hey, I hope everybody's alright today. I think I've lost my mind. And Froggy Friday is brought to us, a collaboration brought to us from Lisa from Girl in the Garage, Karen from the Dragon's Cave. There are many, many others that help out. Lula from Nerd Goblin Arts, Gert, quite a few people. So I'm going to link the playlist at the bottom in the description of this video. Please go and watch them. They're all fabulous. All different mediums, but all one thing in common: froggies. Right, all I'm going to do is finish this up and let it cure. I made too much resin again, as normal. This is cured now. We'll see if we can get him out. Quite excited for this one. Seem to be having a lot of fails lately. I'm hoping that this one isn't. I'm I'm going to leave the playlist for everybody's videos for Froggy Friday in the description below. Please go and watch them. They're absolutely wonderful artists, lots of different mediums, something for everyone. She says, well, I'm trying to get this out. Oh, he's very, very sweet, or she is. We'll call you Flora. Oh, how lovely. I'm glad I put the green on the back. Very minimal bubbles there. Needs a bit of a trim round. Oh, she's very sweet. Hello, Flora. Let's give her some eyes, shall we? I'll show you these. These were the leftover. Just earrings. But they're holographic. That's quite cool. I don't think I'd be wearing them as earrings, but I'm sure somebody will love them. They'd be better with a top coat, but you can't put a top coat on when they've got like a holographic thing, or it just disappears. They're very sweet. Very cute. Right, now, what colour eyes shall I give her? She says. Let's try white, shall we? See if these work. I've noticed the white in these Posca pens are not very, very white. You have to do quite a few layers. And I've shook it up. They might have been better green, really. I might clean that off and do green. Let's give you a white, Flora. Yeah, I think green will be perfect. That's coming out better. There we go. I should get myself some eyes from Amazon that I can put in. I don't mind colouring them really. That needs a clean up. Right, we'll leave that to dry and then I'll put the black on. I might use yellow. Okay, the green's dry now. Let's put some black on it. Yeah, I'm going to pop a little. I might make that a bit thicker in a moment. I'm going to pop a little flower just on her head. Now I'm only going to use a bit of UV resin. We all know UV resin is not a glue, but we'll see if it attaches it. Just on her head there. Only because I thought I'd use UV because it's clear. So we'll see if it attaches it. It might not do. And I don't want to use super glue. I've said this before. Super glue leaves a really weird white residue on resin. I don't like it at all. I need to get myself some of that E6000 or B7000, whatever it's called. Oh yeah, that's stuck. Let's get some leaves on here. Yeah, need to get some better glue for resin. Right, let's pop a leaf on. And we've just got one more leaf to go. It's a bit like a crown, isn't it? A crown of flowers. Floral crown. Or a tiara. I really am waffling now, aren't I? Alright, let's try this last one. Just want it there. They're very, very pretty, these leaves. Stay where I put you. There we go. And I will pop this under the lamp for a couple of minutes just to make sure that it's properly stuck. She's very sweet. Look at that face. A face only a mother could love. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed making it. And I'll leave some photos at the end, then you can get a proper good look at her. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye.